house on the ocean. I said
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday, y'all. What do we have on the agenda for today? Girl, not a damn thing. We are going to relax and just chill out in the house. I got on my in the house wig. I only threw this on because I just took the trash out, because y'all are not gonna catch me slipping on y'all's Blink and Ring doorbell cameras. Okay, y'all are not gonna catch me outside in my stocking cap and my robe and my Ugg boots, because that is the attire for the day. We are relaxing, so I'm thinking today we're just gonna relax, probably order in, watch movies on TV, catch up with some of my YouTube girlies because they normally upload on Sundays. So I'm gonna see what I've missed, catch up on some of those, the new videos as well as the old ones, and yeah, and do a little self-care. As you see, my eyes are super bald, girl. I don't have any lashes on. So we're gonna do some new lashes for the week. Instead of the usual strips, I think we're gonna go with some Kiss cluster lashes. So we're gonna install those. Do some nails by Kiss. Y'all already know I am obsessed with Kiss nails. And then we're gonna do my at-home spa pedicure. I normally keep gel polish on my toes, and this gel set that I have on now has been on since that weekend that Diamond and I flew to DC to Kitchen and Cocktail. So this is the very same pedicure. So my toes look like I need a fill-in. Usually by now my gel starts to peel off on the toes, but girl, this is stayed on. Yeah, Nail Addict gels are really good. They're like $10 a bottle, but they are so bomb. And I just love doing my nails and stuff at home. I like to save that coin. I'm one of those, because girl, I like to have life experiences. I like to spend my money like that. I like to spend my money on making memories and tangible goods, you know? So yeah, that's why I just take pride in doing all my maintenance, my self-care maintenance and beauty regimes myself. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So I've already made my iced chai tea latte. You see me do that. But girl, let's go ahead and get into the things. This is so good. Okay, so the brand called Redchef sent us over a care package, girl. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now, this is going to be a 5-piece cookware set designed for healthy cooking, girl. Healthy cooking. So when they reached out to me and I saw the products, I just thought they were so cute and aesthetically pleasing. So this particular set comes with 2 frying style pans. I have a smaller one and a larger one. And as you notice, each piece does not have a handle attached. That's because it comes with a detachable handle. All right, so this is the handle. Let's go ahead and see how it works. You just clip it on. OMGG, that is so cute. Look at that. And it is safe and sturdy. Okay, even if you're pressing this and holding it tightly as you're cooking, you will not release the handle. That is so nice. You can only release it by pulling this little button back. OMGG, that is so nice. Guys, all right, let's go ahead and make breakfast. Let's see how this baby performs. All right, so before we get started, let me go ahead and mention that the coating is non-stick, non-chip, non-toxic, making it great for healthy cooking. But don't skip over the description box so you can check out all the details for yourself. Go ahead and read and know before you buy. Check it out. With the Redchef Cookware, you don't have to use any oils because the non-stick coating is super non-stick, which makes it that much more healthier to cook with. So we're testing that theory. I didn't use any oil. So we're gonna see how this omelet turns out. Because I wanna be extra gentle with it, I'm gonna use a silicone spatula. But, oh girl, look at that. Oh. So nice, girl. All right, I'm already a fan. So we already know that cleanup is going to be a breeze with these pans. We already know. So far so good with Redchef. I am loving this cookware today. Super nice. Look at that, super clean. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into our regime. We're gonna start with our Nair face cream hair removal. All right, so when I'm using my Nair, I literally just follow the directions. I put this on my fingertips like this and then just apply it to the areas. A generous amount. Then I just wait 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Now, just so you know, Nair does make one for the body. You can use it on your arms, legs, butt crack, wherever you want to use it. Girl, it will work. It will remove those hairs, okay? Try it out. I love the Nair system. Been 5 minutes. Time to remove the Nair. Ooh. Yes, girl. It works. So these are the hairs that came off. I feel like the Nair systems are way better than running a razor on your face. This is safe and effective, and it removes the hair. Girl, you need to... All right, now that our skin is baby soft and smooth, we're gonna move on to the lashes. This is the kit that we're using today. This is by Kiss. This is their Lash Mapping 3D kit. Okay, so it comes with everything we need to do salon style lashes. Yes, girl. Let's go ahead and get right into it. And like I said, it comes with everything we need today. OMGG, they even included the under eye stickies. So once you place these under your eyes, these show you exactly where you're gonna place the lashes onto the lids. OMGG, they thought of everything for us. Let's go ahead and get started. There's even glue pockets. Glue pockets, y'all. So we have our tweezers, we have a spoolie, and the glue. So you can definitely go by the guides, or you can freestyle this to however you want your lashes to look. Only you know what you like, okay? So you can do what you like, or you can just follow the guide. All right, so we have our first guide on. This is your first time trying something like this. The guide is a useful tool. So I'm gonna start with wiping any excess oil off of my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and put me a few drops into the glue pockets here along the top. So it's gonna look like that. I'm working my way from the outside in. I'm gonna start by dipping the cluster into the glue pocket. Dip, dip, dip. Get it nice and covered. But you don't want too much glue because you don't want it to look messy, if that makes sense. Then I'm gonna kind of space it out so I can go back in and fill them in with like some mediums so I can have like a nice fluffy effect. Okay. That's what we're looking like so far. I don't want thick doll-like lashes. I absolutely hate that. And I just wish everybody else would just fall out of love with that trend. This is how we're looking so far. 14s. I went with the longest. Now we're gonna go with the next to the longest. I'm gonna replenish my glue. I'm gonna go in right beside the longer length. And sometimes certain glues can irritate my eyes, but right now there's no irritation. My eyes have not started to itch or water. So this, so far, so good. This is good so far. I'm pleased. This row and this row, just to give them a little more flutter, if that makes sense. But I'm feeling them right now. I'm ready to just pinch them, go in and pinch them. The glue is gluing, girl. I am loving this. It looks so good. All right, I'm going to add my last cluster to my right eye. Look at that. Oh, I'm loving this. So cute. All right, so I am done. I'm really proud of how they came out. I think they are so nice. And these kind of feel like they were moisturizing. Nice. And because we're doing it ourselves, girl, we don't have to be stingy with the product. Have a nice, good, bubbly soak. Oh my God. All right, guys, let's get into the nails. These are the nails that we will be using today. These are so cute. And these are from the Kiss brand as well. Medium length. French tips. 28 nails and glue included. Pick these up at Walmart. Okay, I'll have them linked down below in case you're a Walmart Plus girl like me. Let's get into it. I'm gonna start by buffing and scratching up the top of my nails. This gives the glue something to better adhere to. So this is key. Now we're gonna go ahead and sort our nails. Pick out what sizes fit our fingers the best. I like to apply the glue to the nail as not to put too much into the actual press on and then it oozes out the sides. I hate that. Not to say that that can't happen with this method, but it just works better for me. And I have no bubbles when I do it this way. And I just love the precision tip on the glue. It just works perfectly. Alright guys, and here's the finished product. I just added my favorite cuticle oil that I picked up from Amazon. I love this cuticle oil pen. So nice. But these nails are everything. OMGG. Push through Kiss. Kiss always has the most beautiful press-on nails. And for me, these will stay on at least 2 weeks for me. Alright guys, that is it for me. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you're subscribed. Bye.